confidence makes a big difference when you're out on the trail off-roading. And one of the best things is to have all 4 of your tires grip the ground as you crawl up some type of obstacle. That's when Currie developed the Antirock system, which actually forces your Jeep to have 4-wheel footing when you're trying to travel over an obstacle. We'll start by disconnecting the fog lights where equipped. Next, we'll remove the front bumper and plastic sway bar cover. Remove the factory sway bar end links or disconnect them from the differential housing. Then, remove the factory sway bar.
As you can see, the Antirock system is very simple. It offers a vast amount of adjustability while allowing for more stability out on the trail. Dress the ends of the front crossmember holes and install the Antirock bushings into the frame. Be sure to lubricate the bushings and the spline bar ends before installing. Drive the sway bar through both bushings and ensure that there's an even amount of the bar sticking out on each side. Now install the Antirock sway bar arms to both sides as well as the supplied hardware in the kit. Level the sway bar arms in the vehicle, then take a center-to-center measurement from the center hole of the arm to the center hole of the housing tab.
This Jeep has been outfitted with a Currie suspension system, so the recommended length of the end links can be found in the instructions.
Your arm length measurement may vary based on your suspension's travel. Tighten the hardware down to spec. Don't overlook the jam nuts, as they also need to be tightened to spec as well. Reinstall the factory sway bar cover in the bumper assembly.
Don't forget to reconnect your fog lights.
It's a pretty dramatic difference. Nothing scary about it. Doesn't feel like you're going to tip one direction or the other. Keeping those tires planted on the ground and more articulation. The other one would pivot and rock to one side, then back to the other side. This it just kind of stays planted as it goes down. And that was driving down through the biggest holes that were there.
To purchase this product or for more information, visit RockJock4x4.com. Also, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep up with all our videos.